Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Disney, complete guide step by step clearly.
Investing in Disney can be an exciting opportunity. Begin by researching the company's history and performance. Review financial reports from recent quarters to understand profitability. Look into Disney's diverse business segments, including parks, media networks, and studio entertainment. Analyze market trends affecting the entertainment industry.
Decide on your investment strategy, whether long-term growth or short-term gains.
Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Consider a broker that offers research tools and educational resources. Deposit funds into your brokerage account to start your investment. Look up Disney's stock ticker symbol, which is DIS.
Evaluate the current stock price and any analyst ratings.
Determine the number of shares you wish to purchase based on your budget. Place a market order if you want to buy at the current price.
Alternatively, consider a limit order to buy at a specific price.
Review the terms of your purchase before finalizing the transaction. Once purchased, monitor your investment regularly. Stay updated on Disney's news and financial performance. Consider reinvesting dividends to maximize returns over time. Engage in community discussions or forums about Disney investments.
Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your goals. Be prepared for market fluctuations as Disney stock can be volatile. Maintain a long-term perspective to navigate ups and downs.
Finally, keep records of your transactions for financial tracking.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.